How to fix screen recording not showing in Control Center on your iPhone after update. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about our latest tech videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of screen recording not showing in Control Center on your iPhone running iOS. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle the solution 1. Open the control center on your iPhone. You can do it by swiping from the top right corner of your screen or go to your settings and then tap on control center. After that, you can see the plus icon, and since in my case the screen recording option is already available in my control center, you can simply tap on the plus sign next to it. Now, let's move on to solution 2. Open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on general. From there, select software update. If an update is available, tap download and install to upgrade your iOS. This can often resolve issue with the features not appearing as they should. And that's it. You should now have the screen recording feature visible in your control center. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.